Good morning, students. Today we will learn about in human resource management subject recruitment. Recruitment is one of the important role. You should have a very good knowledge about this recruitment because mainly organizations runs based on the employees, adequate employees, skilled employees, potential employees. If they are with the organization, automatically are there's a strategic and also ensure growth of the organization you can expect. So that's why recruitment is one of the important aspect because every organization needs adequate employees, not less, not more. Less means scarcity of completing the job, more means burden on the organization because they have to pay the salary to all the employees. That is the reason adequate employee planning through a planning. You can go for recruitment. How will be the recruitment? To whom we have to select? When we have to select? What could be the process? All these things we will be discussing into this recruitment topic. What is recruitment? In one sentence, we can say recruitment is a process of searching for prospecting employees and stimulating them, motivating them, provoking them to apply for the specific job. We are searching for employee, but at the same time you are stimulating lots of candidates to apply for that particular job. If more candidates are going to apply, then you will select. There is a chance of getting a potential employee for your organization. 2 points are there. We are searching for employee, but at the same time we are stimulating would be employee means all the employees to apply for that job. That's called as recruitment. Mainly recruitment objectives and the process of recruitment will focus today. Now, what are the objects of recruitment? If you see total, we have 5 objects of recruitment is there. First one is to align the recruitment process with the strategic goals of the organization. Recruitment process very important to align this process. How will be the recruitment process with the strategic goals of the organization? What organization is expecting that should meet? According to that, we wanted to select the employee. Next, to provide skilled employees to the organization. Recruitment means we want to recruit the employees, but what kind of employees to provide? Skilled employees, worthful employee, capable employee we are expecting. This is the main object. Then after that, to forecast the human resource requirement, we have to forecast. Suppose say we are going to get lots of project, lots of work. We wanted to extend to open new branch. Any of such cases you need to forecast. What do you want to forecast? Forecast the human resource requirement. How many employees are required? To forecast human resource requirements of the organization using various statistical and other tools, use whatever you have. You have use it, but ultimately you have to forecast the requirement to human resource. How many employees are needed? When do we need it? What kind of employees are required? So this is you have to forecast. Fourth one, to increase the number of job applicants at reduced cost. We wanted to increase the numbers of job applicants at reduced cost. Cost should be less, but we are expecting number of employees to apply for that job. Say uh, one example, we have two jobs. For these two jobs, say 100 employees have applied. It means ratio is 1 is to 50 out of 50 employees. We are going to select one employee for these two jobs. If suppose 5 candidates applied, you imagine the situation out of 5. Something is better than nothing. In that way, you have to recruit the candidates so that whatever you want, best maximum number of applicants you are expecting, so that you can select, you have a choice is to select the skillful employee. So keeping the cost also in mind, not just liberally, whatever you want we can spend. Finally, to recruit the people from every class or every level of the society. Suppose, say, we are having only male employees in the organization, we have to stimulate women employee also to be part of the organization. Sometimes homemakers and sometimes physically challenged employees also. They may have be having some skills, let's utilize it. So like every part of the society, every angle you are considering, and you want to make them a part of the organization. These are the objectives of the recruitment. These are the important objectives of recruitment. Next, what are the process of recruitment? Some steps are followed in recruitment process: recruitment planning, strategy development, searching, screening, finally evaluation and control. These are the steps in recruitment process. Next class we will learn about types of recruitment. Thank you.